Hi everybody, it's Catherine from In the Pink Designs. This is the last project for my 5-project kit, which you can purchase from me. It includes everything but the Reindeer Fun bundle. I will cut out all the shapes for you and put them in the little packet for each project, and I also cut you the DSP. Alright, and then I give you whatever you need. I'll give you a little piece of cardstock to cut it out with this dies right here. Alright, so my project today, I'm using the Reindeer Fun bundle, Greetings of the Season dies, and the Everyday Details dies. Alright, and what this is the project is just a tag that we made. And what comes out is a package that has hot cocoa, a candy cane, and some marshmallows. Right? I thought this was such a cute thing. I made the can koozies from, well, I have red ones and I have like the burgundy ones. And I made them with my Cricut, and I got these can coolers from Hobby Lobby. They only seem to have white, black, and gray right now, but I don't know if you can get them maybe on Amazon if you wanted to make your own. Alright, so let's start with making the inside. Now I'm going to do this for you if you buy the kit. I'm just going to put it all together for you. So this is a cellophane bag I got. As long as it's wide enough, it doesn't matter if it's too wide because we'll just fold it over. And I'm going to put in the hot cocoa. And these marshmallows are from Oriental Trading. They come in a very big pack. I was able to get the clear ones this year. Alright, and then a little candy cane. And then what I'm going to do is fold it over. So if you have something that's too big, it's okay. And then I'm going to take some ribbon and tie it around. And make a bow at the front. Alright, and then I just fluff this up a little bit and cut it down just a little because it's a little too large. Right, and that's how I made the pack. And I'm just going to stick it into the can koozie. And there you go. Such a cute little gift. You could also put a gift card in the pack if you wanted to. Alright. This is my host code. Please put that in for any purchases under $150, not including your shipping and your tax. And from the Greetings of the Season dies, I cut one of these from the Reindeer Fun DSP and one from Garden Green Cardstock. The circle is from the Everyday Details dies, and it is 1 7/8. I cut the bow from Real Red, and that's Real Red also. I cut the wreath from Garden Green, and this is the same as we did yesterday. I put it together to make it faster. It's Early Espresso, Basic White, and the top is Pecan Pie. Alright, so yesterday and one other time I showed you how to put that together. So first we're going to get some Tuxedo Black Ink, and we're going to put a little greeting on our tag, which is the front side, but it'll be the back side when we attach these. So I'm going to use Christmas is Being Together. And that fits perfectly right in here. Okay, you can emboss it too if you want to, in white maybe, or silver or gold. Alright, and then we're going to attach these together with glue. For the face on the koozie, I just used my Cricut and I searched reindeer face. And there was a whole bunch like that came up. Alright, now for the wreath, we're going to stick the reindeer, just the bottom of the reindeer, right inside on the back. So what we want to do, right inside the bottom part, I'm just going to put a little bit of glue right here. And we're going to stick them in the front and down, and press this down to hold it. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the wreath at the top and push that down. All right, and then I'm going to put some dimensionals. I'm going to put one on each ear. All right, and then I'm going to put this right here. I'm going to put the wreath right above the bottom openings, the circle openings there. All right, and then I'm going to attach some more dimensionals. And then I'm just going to put this right in the middle of this circle, on the middle of this tag. All right. Then I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the bow and put that right there. And then for the final touch on this, I'm going to put a iridescent foil gem right in the middle of the bow. And then we just need some red and white baker's twine. Just enough to tie around that. And put this through. All right, and then wrong one. And then we're just going to tie this around, and I just tied a bow on the back. So just tie it around this. We kind of want it off to the side a little so that they can see the reindeer face on the koozie. I just had a show. I should have done some of these for it, but I needed them all for the kits, so that's that. All right, so that's the last project. So let's put them all up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so this is my 5 project kit. If you're interested in it, it's in limited supply. It's going to be $30 plus shipping. The shipping is usually anywhere from $4 to $6. And please send me an email with your PayPal address and your mailing address. And I will be cutting them up the rest of this week and this weekend, and then mailing them next week. All right. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.